If we have any complex network, any complex or complicated network, means any complicated network means if the network content with several sources or multiple resistors are present in one circuit, present in single circuit, then the circuit or network is known as complicated network. So this network theorems used to reduce the complexity of the network or circuit. So this network theorems used to reduce the so therefore this network theorems is used as network reduction techniques. Nothing but network theorems is is used as network reduction techniques. Then what are different types of network theorems? The types are we have network theorems like superposition theorem, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, and maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem. So all these theorems are used to reduce the complexity of the network. If you're writing college exams or board exams, then my examination tip from my side is assume this is your booklet paper. This is a paper, a single paper of one side. Then you should draw a line, a dotted line or line. I'm drawing like this a line on exam paper. Here you should do rough very neatly. You do rough of circuit problems. First you draw circuit problem and solve it here, and then later you copy paste the same with pen. Don't this random strike offs. Use only single line strike off. If you with multiple lines of mistake, then only strike off with pencil, just a single line.